I really want to say I really appreciate all the shares, the love. It's nice. It's a good feeling. All the new people, I appreciate it so much. You have no idea how much it really helps us. And if you can, just continue to share, like, love the videos. If you think we could have done better, give it a thumbs down. Let us know why. If you give us a thumbs down, please let us know why. If you give us a thumbs up, tell us what you liked about it. Tell us what you want to see more. And what I wanted to do right quick, I'm probably just want to put this at the beginning of one of our videos, maybe in, I don't know, I'm not really sure, but one of the main things that every automotive shop should have was a multimeter. Okay, so I have a Fluke here. So I was troubleshooting a current draw. There we go. I don't know why my mind went blank, but I was troubleshooting a current draw on our Project Maxima here, which I haven't shown any videos of it because it's just kind of a flip car for us. You may see it. I may post some videos of it. I'm not sure yet. So we had a short or a draw or something that was causing the battery to go dead, and I was using my multimeter to put inline, right? And I accidentally forgot to switch the leads back off of, see, it was set here to 10 amp, right? And then when you want to go back to like voltage resistance or you know, diodes or whatever, you have to switch back to this one. Well, I forgot and left it here, and then I checked the voltage on a battery and popped the fuse. So I went on Amazon and bought some new fuses, and obviously you just take it apart with a couple screws. Let's see if I can't get a decent shot here for you guys. So I did buy 2 of each. Oh man, these things are really... Give me a second here. Oh, it's double sealed. Oh, you know what? Let me see here. Universal opener right here. Make sure you guys have good. All right, that opened it. That razor blade is kind of dirty. All right, this thing is getting on my nerves. All right, there you go. All right, so these of Amazon. Sorry about the lighting there. These are DMM TAC 11 Alpha for a Fluke multimeter. It's a 2-pack. You could get them in all kinds of other sizes too. This one, I do believe, goes right there. And then they just snap in. And then the other one is in here. Let me open this package right quick. Alright, so here's the other one. It's a DMM TAC 44/100. So the green fuses says 11 alpha, right? And on the board, oh, I covered it up, didn't I? So anyways, right here you can see on the board, let me make sure you can see that. Can you see that? I don't know. But it says Fox 44/100 alpha. So we got 44/100. So that's how you know this one goes here. It's real simple. Push it in place, make sure it's making good contact, make sure nothing's touching anything else. So then at this point, we could put our meter back together, making sure everything's lined up, the buttons are in place. Make sure it goes together. And if you don't have one, Multimeters can be your best friend. They can be your best friend. They can help you diagnose so many things that you may not have even been able to look at otherwise. So let me put this back together right quick and yeah, make sure it works. All right, so let's see, we got a battery around here. Here we go. So anytime you put new fuses or batteries, let's go. DC voltage. Let's see. Let me try it without this. There we go. Don't need a light. Not right now anyways. DC voltage. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you hook the leads up backwards. See how it's got the negative sign right there? That means you got the leads hooked up backwards. Switch the leads. We'll go positive to positive, negative to negative. 12.27. All right, guys, that's it for the little Fluke new fuses. Again, it's always good to have a spare just in case you mess up like me and forget to put the leads back. And yeah, so we'll go back to whatever we're working on today.